In a vast, beautiful garden, there lived a tiny seed. This little seed dreamed of becoming a tall, strong tree, reaching toward the sky. But the journey seemed impossible. The other plants around it were much taller, and the seed felt small and weak. One day, a wise old tree noticed the seed and said, "Little seed, do not doubt yourself. Every big tree you see around you started just as small. You have everything you need inside you to grow tall and strong. All you have to do is believe in yourself and never give up." The little seed thought about this for a long time. But what if it's too hard? What if I can't grow like the others? It asked. The wise old tree smiled. Growing takes time and patience. You'll face strong winds, heavy rain, and scorching sun, but those challenges will only make you stronger. You must stay rooted and trust in your journey. So, the little seed decided to be brave. Every day, it soaked up the sunshine, drank the rainwater, and stretched its roots deeper into the ground. There were tough days when the wind almost blew it away, but the little seed held on tight, remembering the wise old tree's words. Seasons passed, and slowly but surely, the little seed began to grow. First, it sprouted tiny green leaves, then a small stem. Over time, it became a sapling, standing taller than it ever imagined. One day, after many years of hard work and perseverance, the little seed had grown into a mighty tree, just like the wise tree had said. Birds came to build nests in its branches, and children played in its shade. The little seed, now a great tree, stood proudly, knowing that all the challenges it faced had helped it become strong. And so, the little seed learned that with belief, hard work, and patience, even the smallest can achieve great things. The end. The story teaches kids that even though things may seem tough, with perseverance and belief in themselves, they can achieve anything they set their minds to.